Hey guys, we are now starting KC2, our second key concept. This key concept, we're going to introduce quadratic functions. Okay, so again, this is your note packet. Okay, we're going to start with our first target 2A. Oh, not loaded. Hold on. So target 2A is graphing functions and show key features. The zeros, our key features are zeros, intercepts, maximum/minimum, and behavior, domain, and ring. Okay. So let's look at what our math learning objective is going to be for this video. I can graph a quadratic in vertex form. Okay. So we're going to be graphing things, and we're going to be identifying the vertex. Okay. So I can graph a quadratic if I know the vertex. So what is vertex form? Okay. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Okay. So I have an h, which if you notice changes sign. Changes sign is minus here, positive here. And then I have a k, which doesn't. Okay. When the number in front is positive, the parabola opens up. A parabola is simply a U shape. And that's what a parabola looks like, a U shape. Okay? When it's up, it's positive because it's smiling. Positive is a smile. Negative is a frown. Makes sense. So when it's positive, it's smiling, it opens up. When it's negative, it's a frown, it opens down. Easy enough. Alright, let's look at some examples. The first thing we're going to be doing is identifying the vertex. For number 1, we have y equals x minus 2 squared minus 6. Okay? So what's being subtracted from x and what's being subtracted from or what's being added onto the end. Remember, this changes sign. So it's negative 2. So in my vertex, it's going to change sign to positive 2. Then I have negative 6. That doesn't change sign, so it's negative 6. And that is the point that is my vertex. Your vertex is really just the bottom or the top of your smile or frown of your parabola. All right, looking at our second example, I have y equals negative x plus 7 squared plus 9. This side changes sign, so it's positive. It's going to become negative 7. This 9, it stays positive. I don't know why I wrote a positive. You don't have to. So negative 7 and positive 9. Alright. Looking at our next step, here we're going to not only identify the vertex, but we're also going to graph it. Okay, so start by identifying your vertex. What's with the x inside the exponent? Well, this is a special case. There's nothing being added or subtracted from the x. So my x value is 0. What's on the end? Again, there's nothing. The mathematical form of nothing is 0. Okay? So my vertex is 0, 0. I'm going to graph that point just like this. Then, is it positive or negative? Okay? If it's negative, it will have a negative sign out in front. If it's positive, remember, a lot of times we don't write positive. So this one's positive. It's going to go up. It's going to look like a smile. So I'm just going to draw a smile that goes through that vertex, that center point. And that's my graph. Right. All right, looking at number 2. I have y equals negative x plus 3 squared minus 4. So my vertex comes from here, but I change the sign. And here, but I keep the sign. Alright, so I'm going to graph. I'm going to graph that point. Alright, so I have negative 3, so I'm going to go left 3, down 4. There's my vertex. Now, is it going to smile or is it going to frown? Well, there's this negative out in front, so this is going to look like a frown. So it's going to be this little baby frowny face. And again, this vertex just represents where the middle of your smile or frown should be. All right, number 3. Y equals x minus 2 squared plus 1. And my vertex, change the sign, that's positive 2. Don't change the sign, positive 1. I'm going to go over 2, up 1. There's my vertex. This is going to smile or frown. And this is going to positive, going to smile. Alright, looking at our last example. So this is another one of those special cases. There's no parentheses around the x. There's nothing being squared with the x. Nothing is 0. And then I'm subtracting 1. So 0, negative 1. So I'm not moving left or right, and I'm moving down 1. And then is this going to smile or frown? And it's going to smile. There's no negative there. So I draw a nice smile face. And all right. Let's look at our next set of questions on the next page. All right, the last thing we're going to do is look at these equations, these already graphed equations, and write what they are. Okay? So the first thing you need to do is find my vertex. Remember, your vertex is the middle point of your smile or your frown. So here, my vertex is here. So that is 3, right? So I'm right 3, up 1. So when I write my equation, I have going to be of the form, remember, y equals something times x minus h, that's a change sign, plus x. Okay. So y equals x, my vertex, that h is 3. I'm going to subtract because I changed the sign, so minus 3 squared. Then I have 1, we keep this one. So y equals x minus 3 squared plus 1. All right. The last thing we have to do is a smile or a frown. This is going up. It's a smile. So I just put a positive out front. It's positive. It's happy. Right? Looking at our second example here. There's my vertex. This point is 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 1, 2 down. My vertex is at negative 4, negative 2. look at my equation just like this. It's going to be y equals either positive or negative x. Using this number, I have to change the sign. Plus 4 squared. Then using this number, I don't change the sign. Minus 2. And again, is this happy or sad? This is our frowny face. It's going down. It's negative. So this equation is y equals negative x plus 4 squared minus 2. All right, that is it for 2A.1. Go ahead and work on activity 2A.2. Good luck, and I will see you guys next time.